Good morning from Copper Harbor. We just got our coffee and we found a kitty cat. He's just chilling in the harbor, looking for something to eat. What a beautiful day. Well, we spent our morning bumming around Copper Harbor. We went into some shops and whatnot, cute shops. Went into an agate shop and got very inspired. So we decided to come to Great Sand Bay. Gonna look for some agates, and Cody got this fancy flashlight.
I don't know if it's turning on.
I don't know either. It's just like a black light to look for euperlite. And we're gonna try during the daytime, even though it's not the easiest, because obviously you have to use a light. But we don't want to be out till midnight trying to do it because it doesn't get dark till like 11. Anyway, it's really nice here, and we're gonna go look for some rocks and crack a beer. Well, it's like 2 hours later, and it got hotter. The wind died down. Cody took a nap on some rocks, and I found a lot of rocks while he was napping, and he found a lot of rocks too.
Before
he was napping. I found like potentially a few agates. 2 of them for sure are. The other ones, I'm not sure. I might go ask my new friend in the rock shop if they are. But yeah, that's what life. Wow.
That's where we're at.
Thanks.
She's only had half a drink.
Yeah, not even, I don't think.
It's water now.
It's been real. It's been fun.
It's been real fun.
It's been real fun. Except Cody got bored. He was my good luck charm with the agates though, because I found like 5 more when he was around. So thanks, Cody. Love you.
It's all me.
Time to make like a baby and head back to camp. Back at camp, just had din. Working on the bike for tomorrow. What you doing?
I'm washing your bike.
He's washing my bike. What did you do to your bike?
I washed my bike and put new pads on.
And?
I probably need to run it up and down the road some more to wear the pad in.
To break the brakes in?
Yeah. Or not.
Or not?
They'll break themselves in.
She's looking sparkly. Sick. Thanks for washing my bike too. How nice of you.
You're welcome. It's the least I could do.
I did feed you.
You did feed me.
Time to go get the bikes all dusty after we literally just washed them. This is really hard. I have no idea what gear I'm in, and I'm left-handed, and I'm riding with my right hand, and it's not fun. Oh, potholes. Lots of people. Hi. Well, thanks for joining us on day 2 of our adventures in Copper Harbor. We're gonna dip out for the night, hit the hay early, and we got race day tomorrow, so we'll see you then.